In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Sea of Thieves split screen and whether or not it is possible to do this. First, if you open Sea of Thieves on any platform, it could be PC, it could be on PC through the Microsoft or Xbox Store, or even your actual Xbox console itself, and you browse through all of the options, you will be able to change aspects of gameplay. You can select specific game modes, change the controls, video settings, etc. But one thing you will notice is that there is no option to enable or disable split screen. As of today, is there any way to play Sea of Thieves regardless of the platform, split screen to have up to 4 players at once, let's say? Unfortunately, as of today, Sea of Thieves does not have a split screen mode. Even though it would work out great for Sea of Thieves, they never implemented it, and because of this you will only be able to play on one person per console or per platform. It is unfortunate that this option is not available, and there doesn't seem to have or to exist any widespread mods that enable split screen on Sea of Thieves like other games, and because of this, the options are very limited. We can only wait that an update addresses this, or some type of mod or tool allows us to do split screen, but as it stands today, no platform in which Sea of Thieves is available on will have split screen mode available. While it does have crossplay and it allows you to play, for example, on Steam and on Xbox together, you will not be able to play on the same platform, same console at the same time, with half of the screen or more divided. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that, unfortunately, Sea of Thieves never had a split screen mode, and because it doesn't have any mod that allows enabling split screen regardless of the platform, you will not be able to play Sea of Thieves split screen on any platform. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.